Introducing the new 1539 18-inch multi-compartment tool carrier by CLC. Strong, durable feet keep your bag clean at your workstation. The divided compartment design of the tool carrier helps keep your tools organized. The center compartment holds power tools and accessories. It's capable of holding a variety of tools. The side compartments are equipped with vertical pockets, so it's easy to see your hand tools, and they zip closed to prevent tools from falling out. The adjustable shoulder strap is padded for extra comfort. The heavy-duty carrying handles make it easy to move around, while the large durable zipper makes it easy to open. The opening has a metal frame, so the bag stays open for easy access. Built to last, the large multi-compartment tool carrier is an excellent solution for contractors and repair technicians who need to keep their tools close at hand and neatly organized. CLC 1539 18-inch multi-compartment tool carrier.
This is the DEWALT 16-inch tradesman tool bag, part number DG5543. You can see it has 13 inside pockets, one of which has a zipper. The bag has 20 exterior pockets, including one with a Velcro flap. Bag is very heavy duty. Has a nice strap with a pad on it that's adjustable. There's also swivels on the strap. The top of the bag has a nice wire to hold it open as you're loading your tools. The bottom of the bag has rubber pads to keep it away from the elements. This is another great product from DEWALT and CLC.
Introducing the DGL573 Lighted Technician's Tool Bag. Padded web carrying handles and adjustable straps allow for comfortable and convenient no-hands transport. Base pads on the bottom of the bag help reduce wear and abrasion. 28 multi-use pockets inside with a total of 42 pockets help you to organize your tools. The vertical pockets keep tools in sight for quick access. The DGL573 features an adjustable LED light that can easily be directed at your work area or into the bag to help identify tools and parts. The DEWALT DGL573 Lighted Technician's Tool Bag, guaranteed tough.